Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I hope you're having just a fantastic day today, and I appreciate you spending some time with me. I have free printables, a free download, and a little project that I'd like to share with you. I have sized everything in the downloads and the digitals to fit this project. But of course you can use the digitals as you wish. But we're going to be assembling this little mini cabinet card folder. An easy little project. And I have here 4 cabinet card photos, some photo corners, which aren't going to be just like the ones you buy. These are more decorative than they are functional, but they are kind of fun to add. And also the ads or the advertisement of the studio that was often printed on the folders. So I have that for you to download. And so we're just going to make this little project. I do have the directions written down here in very simple steps. This is an easy project. Anybody can do this, really anybody can. So I'm starting with a piece of cardstock that is 7 by 5, 7¼ by 5 inches. I like to use hanging file folders. Whoops, that's not the one. I like that the shade of a hanging file folder, but this is just plain cardstock, and everybody should have easy to get some black cardstock anyways. And you just fold it in half and take a burnishing tool just to make a nice even fold on there. And we will cut out one of our ads for the cover. And we're just going to glue it in 3 spots, or 3 sides, I should say, because we're going to be making a pocket for our front, like so. And we're just going to stick that on there. Okay. And now we have a pocket here on this side to get into it. It'll come up. There we go. Pocket right there. So we want to make sure that dries first though. So there's our front completed. Now for the inside, I'm going to be using this lovely lady. And having photo corners is really nice because you can just take it out, journal on the back, and put it in. But if you don't have photo corners and you don't want to buy a whole bunch of them because you may or may not use them, I have also provided some of these little photo corners here in the digital printout. And these are so easy to cut out. You just cut a triangle. We're just going to cut 2 or 3 straight lines like that. And then for the middle, just coming up and snipping to the corner and snipping to the corner, and that is finished. I don't like these corners being too super pointy, so I kind of cut those off. And then there is a little bit, sometimes it is hard to get all of that white off, so I just like to go with a little distress ink and kind of fill in that whiteness there. So now that we have our 4 corners done, so since we're not going to be able to take it in and out because these won't of course function the way that a regular photo corner will function, what we're going to do first is we're going to glue these corners on. And when I glue them on, I like to glue anyways, just a teensy bit past, you get a little bit past the corner there. So it kind of gives the illusion that it's sitting inside a photo corner. Now that's just personal preference. You definitely can just glue them right flush with both sides. But I think it's kind of fun. It's just to kind of give that illusion a little bit. All right, so the photo corners are on our photo here. Now I'm just going to make a pocket. So I'm just going to come in, just like we did the front, and do the 3 sides. So I'm doing this because these photo corners, of course, are not going to function like real ones. But at least we can make a pocket, right? We can at least put a pocket in here. So that the real photo corners will allow you to take your photo in and out. But this is a good alternative. And it still looks like it's official with these little digital ones. Now you can definitely purchase these on Amazon. You just search for photo corners and you can get these. But you may not feel like you want to spend, you know, $6, $8 to buy 100 if you're not going to use 100. So this may suffice it for you. And then once you've done this much, now you can do what you want over here. There's a couple of options. If you want to be able to write over here on this side, I just got scrap piece of tea stain paper, and I'm just going to glue that in quickly to be able to write inside. And it kind of does depend on how dark your cover is, but this kind of gives a little place for writing. You can do that. That works out really cool. Another thing you can do, and here's another one that I made, and here's the pocket here. We'll be able to look at the pocket there, and you can make your little ephemera for inside. Another thing you might want to do is to make a pocket like this over here. And I just took a little triangle. Well, let me measure it. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2 inch triangle, and I took my round hole punch and just put in a little punch there. And I'm just going to glue in a little pocket. And I'm actually trying to reflect her little quilt here, or whatever she has with all that floral stuff going on there. I thought this would look really nice there. Not that that really matters, but it mattered to me at the moment, I guess. So we'll just go ahead and just glue that in quick, like so. And now you have a little pocket here on the inside. You can also get some tea stain paper. Of course, you'll want it to be bigger than this, but you could sew in a little bit of paper for have like a mini journal. So there's a lot of little things that you can do with this. It'll be really fun. And that's the little project that I have for you. So I hope you enjoy these digitals. And we are almost at the 5,000 subscriber mark. We've only got 100 to go. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And we'll have a giveaway at that time. I want to invite you to stop over and check out my community tab. And to get there, you just click on my icon, my face, down there, down below, and you'll come to my home page, and then about 3 or 4 tabs over, it'll say community. And in there, I have posted pictures of people who have used my videos and made beautiful creations. And Evie has sent me some more beautiful pictures of her folio that she made from one of my videos, and it's just gorgeous. So there's ideas there for you to gather. If you have a project that you have made from one of my videos, I would just love to see it, and I would love to be able to share it with other people, because it kind of gives everyone more ideas of how to decorate and how to readjust and that type of thing. So please consider doing that. You can just email it to me at Inky Owl Studio, inkyowlstudio@gmail.com. And down below in the description box is all that information. So I'm going to leave you at that. Thank you for viewing, and I will see you real soon. I am still working on the Grungy Journal, almost got the next step done with it, and I'll be connecting with you soon. Take care. Bye.